for example, in macro, if you're outside and the wind's blowing and your flowers are blowing around that you're trying to take pictures of, to try and turn the manual focus ring back and forth to try and catch the flowers as they come in and out. It makes it really tough. So what I do is I get it really close. So I would get it to where I'm right there. And then I would rock back and forth. I'm not hitting the manual focus ring, or am I hitting autofocus? I come back out. I pull back away from that. If I come forward, it goes into focus. If I push forward instead of back, it goes out of focus the other way. So essentially that is manual focus. You're going to use two things: the distance from the item that you're taking a picture of dictates or will affect the manual focus that you're utilizing. What is a focus point? Focus point is best used on automatic or autofocus, and it is simply, as we talked about before, the square that is pointing at the item that I want to take a picture of or that I want to get in focus. So in this case, that's what I want to put in focus. And you can really tell the dramatic change in focus when I hit autofocus. Doesn't even look like the same picture. Next, we're going to talk about aperture, shutter speed, and ISO being parts of the focus triangle. Shutter speed is the 1/320th of a second that you see in the bottom left corner. Then beside it to the right is 2.8 f-stop, or my aperture is at 2.8.